So in today's video, I will show you how to root with Magic Steel.
Hi guys, today's video, I have new information to share with you again. A step-by-step tutorial if you are new to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I will teach you a lot about our topic today. By subscribing, I will work harder to always upload videos that will surely help you.
Many people want to root with Magic Steel. Maybe not many people can do this, but Magic Steel has many functions. Those who are brothers living abroad are in the fake location. I will show you everything inside the module that works for. Don't miss a single second of today's video. Skip my video, don't miss a nanosecond. Today's video is getting very interesting. First of all, check it out. The device is not rooted. So where can you get the Magic Delta? If you search on Google, you will find it. If you have any problems after that, the Telegram link is given in the description box. So this is me, I'm already ready. I install it and then I'll show you this. The latest. This version is Magic Delta Subs Point 4. It's already installed, I won't do it, then we'll root it. But to know that the recommendations needed to do this, you will be thinking about meta and big time, these files. Where can you find this video? I will show you everything part by part. We will open the Magic and take a look. There is ramdxes. What file do we need to take? We will leave to find time wherever we can. It's rare, isn't it? You can download it from the Play Store. It's easy. So, we have already collected the flash file. This is the Vivo Flash. I'll press this file a little and hold it. It's an extract file. This is flush. I will also show you where to get the file. So you can see our flash file is extrude. There are many types of files here. Which one should I take? I am showing it. You will come to Google and search or write here Vivo. Bankruptcy. The file is my model. You can flash the file from here. After collecting it, you will find everything inside it. The files you will need are boot.img.this.java. Give me partition B. There are files in both partitions. The main thing is that there is I won't take partition B. You always have partition A. Take the partition from the flash file. In other words, BurMJ will touch and hold it and select it. I will give it, and if the flash file contains VV matter, MJ, the file. If it is, we will select it from here. I will copy it and click copy and copy it like this. Find the folder we will put it in from here. I will do it. We will keep all the Android system files here. So I already have it, but I'm not keeping it anymore. Just paste it here and it will be done. So I won't take this. Since I have already taken 2 files, there is one more thing I haven't said in between. That is, those who want to take the fake location service will be added to WhatsApp or Telegram in the description box. We are all given a place to communicate, so look here. Getting. Steiter gives a statement on the not dash, so dash, go dash, far dash, height collocation. Everything. There are many food delivery apps here. How do you set them up through this Magic status? How do you run these modules, pack locations? But we are also a service. So those who need it will join WhatsApp. That's what we did. We managed those 2 other files, VVM Meta and Board. That's MG. Then what we have to do is go to the phone settings. So from here, we will go to the phone settings and give this setting to come. Then we will enable the developer options from the phone. Developer. Next is that, it is there, but it has to be unlocked. The first requirement will be to unlock the bootloader. If you have a PC or computer for root, if there is nothing left, contact us without anything. We can root your mobile phones through Page Software. These are the 2 of us. After giving, we will go home. After giving, we will leave. Click on this Magic and then select Install. Click on the End Pass file and it will run on Vivo. I will go. After going here, it says System File, we are booting. I have collected 2 files, .image and vivmeta. We need to identify that file here so we can open the file. Finding the system file system, this is maybe bot.com. I'll give it a click. Let's go. If you like the video, you must subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe, like, give your valuable feedback, and let us know what kind of problem you're having in the comment box. Then our work is done here. Now we have a small application. His name will be needed. Father, this is the servant. Maybe back there. We will download and open this app. After taking the phone, we will root it. How to put the phone in fast boot mode and then use OTG. I'm showing this to connect, so that's the point. This is how we will root this mobile phone. Mobile. I will plug a USB cable into this phone. I will connect an OTG cable to this phone and put it on. I will connect to the phone. Sorry, we are rooting this phone. To this phone. I will connect the OTG cable and this is the U. And from this phone, we will also give commands like this. There will be a UGB cable. This is how you attach the OTG. We will leave here later after arriving at the APAS of the father's place. Flush that. I can see the icon, then I will click on this flash. An address. Maybe we'll type the next thing we do above this comment. I'll write that phone number here after typing, but we must be. First, I will take the power key and press the volume down key to boot. If you press the power key, first boot mode is enabled. Is Bola Plus a phone switch? Turn it off and then how to connect it. I have shown you, so I will write here the first boot devices. Or if you don't have a device, give it to me. Then here's yours. The mobile phone will show connected. Then we flash at boot.img magisk. I have to hold that file here. I will write it here. Fast boot, flash boot, and this is your job. If you understand it, then do it. Otherwise, don't do it. And of course, the phone will flash the file. But like this. But it has to be collected like this. Don't mess with the file booty. But you have to think about it and work hard. And the methods I am talking about are 100% safe and secure. Then after giving a space, we attach the file from here. I'll give it to you with one click. 3.phone storage, then this folder may be created for you. That will be downloaded. Where we flashed the magic stage, you can hold this from here, or if the file is not flashed from here, then you can put it down in the phone memory. So after that, it will be flashed for us. Next, we will need to flash the file if there is a vvmatter.img file inside our phone. For that, we also need a command. You can search on Google for how to flush your Feminator. IMG Commando wrote this or I in the description box. I will give this command or in the comments. Let me know if anyone needs the command and I'll copy it later. I'll paste it here after I get it. Just give it a space. The giving. After clicking on the link, we will see this video. Where can we get the system file from that place? I left it there. I'll find it here, a vmatter.img. If it is inside your flash file, take it. And if not, if there is no need, then flush it. Then type it here. Fast boot revote. Write this and enter. After giving it, your mobile phone will turn on. After turning it on, if you give the magic shake, your device will be rooted 100%. If you understand the video, stay well and stay healthy. Before that, take this. I didn't root the phone because I didn't make the video to explain to you what else. Tata, bye bye.